Good afternoon, people. I'm Sri Krishna. Now you can see somebody was asking a strategy. See, I don't want to disappoint you, but we are using one of the oldest method and one of the finest method in order to trade the options. So now you can see, let me get that pen. I always forget it before starting. Epic pen. It's been handed to me. Okay, all right. Let's see. See, it has made a bullish candle surpassing previous three. This is one of the strategy. Okay, it has made that. And what we look for? See, we have coded this box. This is a very tight box. This is a stage second box, and this is a stage 1 box. Now you see, when you go to Bollinger Band, you see very tight squeeze. Break below, market goes down, break above, market goes up. It is what the Bollinger Band people, even including John Bollinger, says this. But in our case, we have this tight box indicator, and we have this Williams alligator. Whenever these open, they give us an indication that the momentum is there. When there is no momentum, it sticks. Okay. So this, along with one more indicator, we are giving momentum indicator. With that, you can buy the indicator. I'm not suggesting you to buy it just simply because I'm telling you, when you buy that indicator, along with that, you will get a training on that particular part, which will be around 30 days. So let me go to the 1 hour and show you what I mean for it. Above this blue, any close above this blue bar, we need to buy, but we bought it and there was a rejection here, so we made an exit. Then it came below. It did not close below the red line, so we waited. So market made us narrow move here. Let me remove this. There is a narrow move here, and it punched. But before punching the narrow move, if you can see exactly at this candle, before this candle, there was a sign that the market has entered in a sell setup. That means the market has already entered in a sell setup. So any move, any close below this is a sell setup to us. That means below this, but it made a doji here. So any move below the doji is a sell setup, or any close below the doji is a sell setup on 1 hour. If you are looking on the 1 hour, the next pivot point is this. Okay, this is how the market works. 70% of the time market remains in range. Okay, remains in range. Only it gives us the momentum once. Remains in range, then it gives us the momentum once. So in order to make it more efficient, what we do basically is we go for 5 minutes. Okay, we go for 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, we use it according to our need. Need in the sense that, say this was the top which it made. It made the top. Once the top is made, we started getting this red balls, red round this thing. Then it broke and then it made a higher low. Once it made a higher low, our decision was to enter the next break of the fractal. This is a fractal indicator only, but it see this. In 5 minutes, it was so squeezed. So it broke it actually. It broke and came back and closed here. Closed at this point. So our stop was here. The secondary stop was there. Okay? Agree? Then what happened? It gapped down. And this Bill Williams alligator indicator widely opened. It came. It will always make one bullish candle above this before entering into a complex sideways. When we know that this is making a lower low, okay, lower high. So what we did, we added the stocks here. We sold at the money call. Again, kaboom. It came back. It came here. This is again, you are going to add here. That means if you want to trade, suppose you missed this one. You have to wait for this fractal to become, because there was a fractal here. I will expand it and show you. Please wait. See, this box was broken. Once this box is broken, close below, you are selling a short. You are selling a short on the close of this value, and your stop will remain above this. It made one more box. If you want, you can add, but you don't add. Then once when this box is broken, this low is broken, your stop comes to this. When this low is broken, your stop comes to this. When this low is broken, your stop comes to this. When this low is broken, your stop comes to this. When this low is broken, your stop comes to this. What happened here? Excuse me, I will remove this. What happened here? When this low is broken, your stop comes to this. It broke. We put the stop in the pre-market open only. We had a stop here. We were stopped out. Okay, we were stopped out. So exactly, even if you are, I will tell you in this way. Even if you had entered here, and if you had trialed the stop up till here, 25,850 from 26,000, I think 26,044. I think, say let's say 26,035. I think it is a good money. 150 points on per this thing is a very good money. Okay. So this is what we are creating. The indicator itself will cost you around about $250. It's not a big money, but what you will get, because you need to learn this very properly before you think of buying it. Okay. When you learn this properly and when you practice this, you need to practice for at least 30 days. No entries before 30 days practice. Especially in options, no entry. Because what happens in the options is, options basically lose value very fast. Okay? That's the reason 30 days you must practice. You must practice. See, again, yesterday's, when the low is broken, we added, our stop was here. When this low is broken, our stop came down here. When this low is broken, our stop came down here now. Now we are holding it with stop. Suppose if it closes above the green here, what we will do? We will remain committed with our stop. And then it make a hanky-panky and it come down below. Once when it comes down below, we will come to this low now. Our stop will come to that low. Why we have to maintain a stop when we know wave theory, when we know all of those steps? And I am trying to explain people that I will train you. In fact, I have trained many. I have trained more than 200. I will not lie, I have trained more than 200 in the wave theory within these 6 years. 200 is a very small number, but people take nearly 6 months to learn. After 6 months, they take nearly 3 months to understand. Sometimes they miss and they again come back, they realign themselves and then they start. So this is a very learning exercise. You must be committed to the learning exercise too. Indicator based, yes, I have trained the indicator based. Indicator based, it works very fantastic. Not only this indicator, you want to add any indicator, you can add indicator. Even without this algorithm codes and other things, if you don't want that, no problem. But when you give me your indicator, you tell me which indicator you like, I will train you the same way what you like. It's my promise. आपको कौन सा इंडिकेटर पसंद है बोलिए, मैं उसी इंडिकेटर से आपको सिखाऊंगा, ऐसा सिखाऊंगा कि दूसरे इंडिकेटर आपके जीवन में ही आपको याद नहीं रहेंगे, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है मुझे क्या सिखाना है करके. आपके माइंडसेट में जो बैठा है मैं उसी को डेवलप करके उसमें प्रोज एंड कॉन्स को निकाल देता हूँ, उसमें प्रोज को ऐड करता हूँ, और धीरे 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 जैसे जैसे आपकी कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ती जाएगी, आपको जो मैंने सिखाया वो आपके मन में एक फाउंडेशन की तरह बैठ जाएगा. ओके, चलो देन आई विल मेक, ये ख़त्म होना चाहिए 23,600 पे, ये मार्केट ख़त्म होना चाहिए. डेली पे भी ये मार्केट ख़त्म होना चाहिए अभी. नाउ इट इज़ एग्जॉस्टेड, दिस इज एन एग्जॉस्ट. यू कैनॉट कंटिन्यू टू रन दिस लो. आप 10% के नीचे लो बिना कोई पुल बैक के नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है. एंड प्रीवियस पिविट हैज़ बिन ब्रोकन. ये जो पुराना पिविट है, that means the entire leg has been broken. This is invalidated here. That means it is very vulnerable for a upside move. ठीक है. I am very confident it will start moving within 2 days. ठीक है. All right. Good luck.